3. Good morning, everyone. We are from PBLAN 309. Today we are going to break down our final result of our PBL about Tinker's Adventure. For our members, there are me, myself, Maulana Afin Faza, next Muhammad Fitra, and then Arbi, Daryl, and Banyu. For our project manager, we are being uh, monitored by Sally, Miss Sally, and for our client, Miss Arta. Sabar, sabar. Banyu lanjut.
Okay. For background, to provide an alternative method of learning English to computer science students, I made at improving the English knowledge to computer science students. The idea began with a short educational animation explaining both subjects, with a short adventure theme storyline. The story features two main characters.
Before our continue to our stories, first I'm going to explain to you the premise of two videos with two chapters. The first one is being Daniel and Vicente had found a temple deep in the jungle and wanted to enter it to explore. But rocks from inside the temple blocked the entrance. For the chapter 2, Daniel and Vicente wanted to enter the temple through the ventilation above the entrance, but Daniel slipped on the ladder and fell, injuring both of his legs. For the script itself, you can click by clicking the link. You can read it by yourself. But mainly, I'm going to explain the storyboard shortly. First, in chapter 1, Daniel and Vicente has found the temple. They walk up to the entrance, but suddenly the ground shakes intensely, and then suddenly a rock falls and blocking their way. Uh, Daniel asked Vicente for any ideas, and he decided to make a ladder. And they do that by collecting the wood and making the ladder itself. And finally, they finished making the ladder, and Vicente revealed the main topic of the chapter 1 itself, and that is brainstorming. For chapter 2, in here, Daniel wanted to climb up the ladder first. But suddenly he slips. He slips his leg on the way, leaving him hanging up above. And then he fell down, hit the ground, and injuring both of his leg. And so, because of that, he asked Vicente for help to patch up his wounds by giving him instruction. Uh, uh, while he explained the instruction, he also stated the key of procedures, and that is uses essential steps and by using analogy, and that is the main topic of the chapter 2. And then the videos finish with Daniel's leg finally healed.
Okay. For moodboard character on the moodboard for Vicente and Daniels, we use non-human or animal character. For Vicente, we use a cheetah. The characteristic of Vicente is that he wears a typical Mexican turban and also a cowboy hat accessories for Vicente. And for Daniel, we use a moose which comes from North America. The characteristic of Daniel is that he wears a brown face and head wears a sling bag on his back. Okay, basic info. Daniel, full name Daniel Ranger, personality extrovert, and ambitions or goals exploring the temple. Basic info Vicente, full name Vicente Templo, personality extrovert, and ambitions or goals exploring the temple.
Okay, this is the mood board for our environment design. Here we have Tropical Forest, El Castillo, the Temple of the Inscription in Palenque, and the Las Posas as reference for the temple that appears in our story. Next, here is the 2D environment design. It shows an ancient temple surrounded by a tropical forest. This tropical forest will be the main place where Daniel and Vincent's adventure takes place. Next, this is the 3D rendered environment that we created. Here we use several shots as reference for perspective, which are then drawn and developed into a 2D environment design. Next.
Next, we got the proof for our story thing like bandits, ladders, and ropes. Each one that's got their own vibe and purpose for character. Next, the music really presents the situation of the location and first well with the character instruments, all music and sounds effect are from Pixabay. Udah ada.
And then this is our poster. We make it on sketchbook. You guys can see Vicente on the left and Daniel on the right. And then there's a temple behind them. We make this poster referenced by our animation when Daniel and Vicente looking for some twigs to make a ladder. Next. And then this is our trailer animation. Next. And then this is our final animation. This is our approval. Next.
In conclusion, this team has worked hard to create animation that leaves lasting impression on the audience and also broaden their knowledge of English language learning. And that is from our team. Thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.